Korean celebrities all had different paths when it came to achieving their goals, as some had to grow up in poverty. Some were fortunate enough to grow up in wealthy families, such as these actors. Despite growing up in these conditions, they still worked hard to achieve their goals. 10. Lee Yoo-kyung. Lee Kyung is an actor under HB Entertainment. He made his acting debut in 2011. He played minor and supporting roles in television dramas such as Descendants of the Sun and My Love from the Star. Lee Kyung's father was the CEO of LG Innotek, which is a large South Korean aerospace manufacturer and defense company. Despite probably growing up ridiculously rich, the 32-year-old lived in a rooftop apartment after dropping out of high school. He worked part-time jobs in a DVD and comic book shop to cover his living expenses. 9. Park Hyung-sik. Park Hyung-sik is a former member of the now-defunct South Korean boy band Z, and its subgroup C.A. Managed by Star Empire Entertainment. Park is famed for his roles in popular Korean dramas Strong Girl Bong Soon, The Poet Warrior Youth, H. Warren, and Suits. Besides starring in television dramas, Park was a cast member of the variety show Real Men. This actor and singer is also a rich kid. His father is apparently a board member of BMW Korea. We wonder what car Park Hyung-sik drives. 8. Lee Min-young. Lee Min-young is well known for her character in Boys Over Flower. She is also a wife to Korean international actor Lee Byung. Min-young's father is the CEO of LG Innotek, of a large advertising company in South Korea, and her mom is a pianist. The family has been living in a mansion worth $3 million since she was a child. Her late maternal grandfather was a renowned painter and a poignant figure in Korean art history that pioneered the first generation of modernized ink painters in the country. 7. Philip Lee. Lee Philip is a Korean-American born and raised in the state of Virginia to Korean parents who moved to the United States in 1979. He is a former model and actor, best known for his roles in television drama series like Secret Garden and Faith, The Legend and A Man's Story. His father is the president of SDG, well known in the IT industry in the United States. The company has more than 1,700 employees and branches in 35 countries. His family's wealth is estimated at $174 million. 6. Super Junior C1. Choi C1 is a Korean pop singer and actor managed by SM Entertainment. He is a member of the boy band Super Junior. The 36-year-old Super Junior member and actor was born into the lap of luxury. His dad is reportedly the former CEO of Boyan Medicine, a well-known pharmaceutical company in Korea, and his mom owns fashion brands. His family also apparently owns Hyundai department store and various other businesses. Super Junior members have said that C1 could buy MBC. It's one of Korea's top TV and radio networks, if he wanted to. 5. Yoon Woo. Yoon Woo is a model and actor who made his acting debut in 2006 with a minor role in the thriller The World of Silence. But he first rose to fame playing a rebellious teen and motorcycle fanatic with a crush on his teacher in daytime family sitcom Unstoppable High Kick. Yoon Woo's father was the director of a kendo academy and a television news anchor, and that's one reason why Yoon was attracted to television and films since childhood. His mother was a professor at the University of Seoul, and her father was a professor at Thay. 4. Lee Ha-nee. Lee Ha-nee, also called Honey Lee by the Western press, is a South Korean actress. She was Miss Korea of 2006 and the third runner-up for Miss Universe in 2007 in Mexico City. Her mother has a PhD in Korean music history and is a professor at Yuba Women's University. Her father was a high-ranking official in the National Intelligence Service. She used to be an idol trainee under YG Entertainment. In 2008, she made her acting debut in the musical Polaroid. In 2011, she received Best New Actress in a Drama for her role. 3. Yoon Tae-young. Yoon Tae-young is a South Korean actor. He played role in hit films and TV shows such as Mr. Socrates, Local Hero, and Diary of a Night Watchman. But not many people know that he is also associated with Samsung Electronics. He is the son of Yoon Yong-yong, who formerly served as the conglomerate's vice chairman. His family is so well respected that when he got married to actress Yoo Jin on February 2007, the former South Korean president and mayor of Seoul Lee Myung-bak was among the VIP on the guest. 2. Girls' Generation's Soo Young. Choi Soo Young is a South Korean idol singer, actress, dancer, spokesmodel, and TV presenter. Last seen in Netflix's heartwarming 2021 Korean drama hit Move to Heaven. The singer isn't just pop royalty, she also hails from a prestigious family. Her grandfather is the CEO of a famous architecture firm in Korea and was contracted to build the famed Seoul Arts Center, while her father is the chairman of a production and construction company. 1. Lee Seo-jin. Lee Seo-jin is a South Korean actor and television host. He is best known for the reality shows 3 Meals a Day and Grandpa Over Flowers. As an actor, he came to prominence with his leading roles in the historical dramas Demo 2003, Isan 2007, Jiabi 2011, and the contemporary drama Marriage Contract. Lee Seo-jin comes from a powerful finance background. His grandfather was the first governor of Seoul Bank and a vice president of the Chamber of Commerce. Lee Seo-jin's father was also a former treasury director, and the family is known to have businesses in the insurance, tourism and financial sectors. Wealthy families have always had a certain air of mystery about them in Korea. Actors who come from wealthy families are often envied for their good looks and talent. However, being born and raised in a wealthy family is not an easy thing to do. Being born and raised in a wealthy family is not an easy thing to do. Being born into a wealthy family doesn't guarantee success in the entertainment industry. These actors have all worked hard to make a name for themselves and prove that they're more than just rich kids. We would love to hear your thoughts on this topic in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe and get notified.